Greetings, everybody. Hey, today is a great day because we're going to do another dart gun review. Today's review will be one I'm kind of interested in. Came out of nowhere. Didn't know it really existed until I seen it at the shelves of Target or Walmart or Target. Sorry, I can't quite remember. Without further ado, boom. Adventure Force Triggerfire. Hey. Thoroughly puffed. Here it is. Here we go. It looks lovely. I like purple a lot. Has a nice color scheme. Let's read the box. Auto advancing rapid trigger blaster. Darts compatible with all Adventure Force and most standard Nerf blasters. We have a drum, interesting looking trigger, a scope, some darts, shoots up to 80 feet. How about the back of the box? Charge and blast trigger. We'll see what that means shortly. 30 dart drum, nice. Alright, Triggerfire. We ready. Good luck on the review. Thanks, dude. Story post. Now let's try to snap this thing together. Pardon me for sweating. You know, I was out doing my skateboard thing. Got one more part to pull off. There we go. That's right. So I wonder if I should load the darts in here before I put them in. It's okay. How does this work? Ooh. Man. That's good. Let's load these darts up. And then we'll do a quick firing test. See how it works. Let's go. Loaded and ready. little sketchy, so we're going to try to do that one again. Probably user error. I forgot the scope. Maybe that'll help me. Alright, lovely people. That was that. Did my firing test, did my unboxing. So now it's time for my final thoughts and comments. I'm not quite sure all what to say about this one. I do like the look of it. It is from a BUZZBEE. I kind of like that BUZZBEE blasters seem to be a lot more innovative. Like you're more likely to see something different, unique with BUZZBEE. I really like their style. So I do like that aspect. I haven't really had a dart blaster like that one. Just as I mentioned, that BUZZBEE does different things, and it has a single trigger fire. There is no prime. The prime is the trigger, and so that's very interesting. Probably really user friendly for children. Except for one part is that it's kind of easy, especially if you are a child, to cause it to misfire, because the trigger has to be pushed all the way down for it to actually shoot. So with that said, I mean, it's a solid blaster. I guess I would give it like a B or something around there. Yeah, it really gets points for its uniqueness. It is the only one I've seen out there that has a trigger that is also the prime. It's pretty cool. Really easy to fire and get into. Go to Target or Walmart, I forgot which one, and find it and check it out for yourself. It may be worth the buy if you can make sure you always operating it correctly. That could be the problem, because I was shooting really like blanks at first, and I thought it was a blaster, but I just wasn't pulling it all the way back. Mind that when you get it, straight poof. It's actually early Sunday, and I'm getting ready to go to church right quick. On that note, y'all be blessed. Have a lovely day. If you aren't going to church, here's a blessing for you. So no, anything is possible if you believe. Let's believe it. Kingdom Corn. See y'all next video. Woo.